Hello, this is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear. We are at the DJ Expo DJX 2023. We have a new product called LUNA. LUNA is a DJ facade that is designed in the curved panels. It comes with the 5 panels of the 30 by 48. So it comes in a white and black frame. So this one is a black frame over here, but we do have it in the white version as well. They are very easy to get disconnected from each panel. So if you come this side and show it over here, so the panels could be disconnected very easy with just 2 small push button and it comes off. They are folding very easily, so you could adjust to the size of the table that you want to use. Also, LUNA, it comes with first of all, it comes with both black and white scrims, so it doesn't matter the frame is white or black, both of them it comes with the black and white scrims. It comes with a very heavy duty carrying bag, and check this out, it has dividers in the bag so the panels doesn't hit each other, doesn't rub to each other. If you have any questions, please check our website ProXLivePerform, proxdirect.com. Thank you for watching.